The Assisted Living Navigation Portal is a new online tool that makes it easy for Albertans and their families to find the continuing care and assisted living options that best suit their unique needs. To use the portal, simply click Help Me Find the Right Fit and answer a simple set of questions to be provided with tailored recommendations based on the responses. These questions, which can be answered by a person looking for assisted living options or a caregiver, cover a person's current medical situation, how soon they may need care, and what their priorities and preferences are for care homes. When the questionnaire is complete, the portal provides guidance and recommendations based on the user's answers, along with information on how to connect with Assisted Living Alberta if an assessment is required. You can also use the portal by typing in a location or postal code to view detailed information about the assisted living options in the area. This will take you to the results page, which can be viewed as a map with pins representing each home or a list view. The portal's results page features clear and easy-to-read information on care homes, including the types of care provided, service fee amounts, and real-time availability of residential care spaces and related services. Next, simply click on each entry to view more details about a care home, including types of rooms, fees, amenities, site care, transportation, and more. The Assisted Living Navigation Portal is about helping Albertans get the right care in the right place.